Here we are, spring. I have been waiting all winter for this thing to bloom, and it looks like someone has beaten me to it. I came out the other day and it seems that all these leaves have been gnawed off. You can see here, we've got a perfect bite mark. I don't want this guy coming back, and I have a solution for it here. This would be a pheromone-based deterrent that you can spray in a perimeter. Now this is going to work to keep any of the nibbling animals out of your garden. You're just going to come right around the base of the shrubbery, and you don't want them to come in through the back, so you need to go all the way around. Now, if what you are dealing with is not something that's walking up on your garden, but perhaps flying in, if you have a problem with woodpeckers, you can pick up something in your garden center that looks a lot like an inflatable owl. Now, that's a known predator to any of the pest birds that you may find in your garden, and they're not going to come near that. Another solution may be that you can put a snake up on the side of a wall where you have problem birds maybe nesting in a gutter. Again, they're not going to come anywhere near that. And those are just a few ways to get rid of animals in your garden.